Konnichiwa, I'm coming to Japan.
Such amazing flavors on that plate. Right, so chicken pieces marinated in soy sauce. I have to do this so that I can remember the recipe. Fresh ginger, Japanese vinegar and a little bit of sugar, and then coated in some corn flour. Then we're going to fry it at 160 for a few minutes, and then crank up the heat and fry it until it's crispy. Okay, so these have deep fried for about 5 minutes at 160, and now we're going to plunge them in at 200 for about 2 minutes, just to ensure extra crispiness. So I cooked my little frozen prawns from frozen, saved the liquid with some lemon juice and the fat from the chicken skins, which cut my nori paper into little strips, and I've got some sushi rice. Wet my hands, sushi rice, roll it into a ball with my hands, lay it on there, tuck it under, give it a little bit of a drizzle, pop one of those little prawns on top, and that is going to be a little morsel on our bento box. So I got a pile of rice on my nori paper, shiny side down. I'm going to wet my knife, and I'm just going to spread that all over there. This is just a little rice side dish, not an actual like sushi thing. It's not going to be filled with anything, it's just rice. I'm just using my wet knife just to even up my rice. I might be wetting the wrong side, so we'll adjust as we go. I'm going to start rolling from here. I don't need a mat with this because my rice is all on the inside. I'm going to basically make a little spiral. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Oh, this is looking amazing. Keep your knife wet. Try to keep your slices as even as possible. Look how beautiful it is. A little spiral of rice that you can just pick up and pop in your mouth. Toasting a red pepper on your gas fire so that you can remove the skin and give it a lovely caramelized note. Be careful because it might still be a bit hot. But basically take a knife or something and look at that skin, it just comes straight off like magic. You can leave a little bit of pieces because it looks actually quite pretty. Way fancy. So I'm starting with my plate because we don't have a box. Bowl in the middle, and I'm going to put soy sauce, pop some wasabi into the soy sauce. Then the secret with assembling these sorts of things is to think about your colors. A bit of my chicken, you must always try and have uneven numbers. Rice balls opposite. 3. Makes a pretty triangle. I'm going to put 3 on either side. Oh, this is starting to look pretty now. It's yellow radish, pickled radish, and I'll balance that with my yellow lemon. My red peppers, I'll put that and I'll balance that with my pickled ginger. Bunches of that because it's yummy. We're balancing our colors and our neutrals. That's got round shape already. So I'm going to put my rounded shape maybe next to these very triangular lemons. Balance those up with some egg. This is looking so amazing, everybody. I've got these crispy fried pork skins, light as a feather. And I got some chicken skin. This is more of a decoration. I think I might just dart it. Look how beautiful this chicken skin is. Look how bubbly. Gorgeous. Slow cooked. Rendered all the fat out. And then I cooked my prawns with the fat. Smuggle some chicken skin everywhere.
Oh, wow. There we are. Look at that sunset. How beautiful is that? I reckon if I had a bento plate here, it would be like the perfect day. So a bit of cucumber into the wasabi.
Ooh.
Mix it up a little bit because it is going on the rice. So onto the rice, a little bit of red pepper, a little bit of daikon, the yellow, and because I want to, I'm going to put a little, just a smidge of the ginger. I don't know if you see me when I lift it up like that. And of course, wasabi dipped chicken.
Wasabi dipped chicken coming in for a close-up.
Just so you can see there's, and then that on top.
Wow, you're not going to be able to eat that with a chopstick.
We're not quite finished yet because we got to put a little bit on top of that.
Pick that up with your fingers.
And then we go in with the chopstick, pick it up beautifully.
Dunk it in the wasabi soy.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. That's a little bento works, an absolute works. Oh wait, you didn't get a piece of chicken skin. Grab one of those chicken skins and pop it in before it's too late. Now you've got. I know, it is such amazing flavors on that plate. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Not for a long time.
You see, I've eaten quite a lot already. Bento boxes are the new feijoada as far as I'm concerned. Konnichiwa, I'm coming to Japan.
Sorry, Brazil.
It is so... That combination of all the little combination, you bite it, each thing you can taste it. Each flavor has its own flavor. It is so nice.
Yeah, I agree. One of my favorites.
Oh.
Yay, definitely gonna make more of those.
Thank you.